Safety car, stay out. Safety car, stay out. Mode 14, mode 14. Follow the reference. Keep the tires hot.
Can you just check my position when the safety car came out, because I don't know if Perez overtook me before or after.
Copy that. It's Stroll, next to you is Stroll. I'll keep you posted.
Who crashed?
Max, who is Leclerc, I believe. They're okay. We're happy to stay in shape 3 for now. This safety car might take quite a few laps. And watch out for any debris, just follow the cars in front. So Pierre, just to confirm, do you think Stroll should be behind you? Or you think, what's the question?
I don't know. I don't know. Check at when they put safety car out if he is in front or behind.
Okay,
because it was right when he overtook. I think he overtook before, but just check.
Copy that. Okay, he overtook before, so we stay where we are. Okay, so behind you is Ocon on prime. And behind Ocon is Vettel, prime as well. In front of you, Stroll, Danny, Ricciardo.
Okay, there are a lot of stones on the track because it's so dirty, I keep getting hit by the stones.
Okay, copy that. Okay, shape 5. And you can look at your dash, the front is starting to drop, so we go to shape 5. And we focus on good braking. And focus on bigger braking, avoid small braking to avoid the delta on the brakes.
I want an update on the wind, if it gets lower.
It's still the same wind, 15 kph average on the close to 25 gusts. On traction is the same, it's a tailwind middle sector, so a bit of tailwind exiting turn 2.
Which tire is Ocon on?
Ocon is prime. Okay Pierre, we don't think we are too far away, probably one more lap. Keep working hard on your tires. And Pierre, before the restart, it will be mode 3. Mode 3 for the restart. I will keep you posted. Brakes are good, brakes are nice and hot now. And we are happy to stay offset 0 for the restart. We stay in offset 0 for the restart. Safety car in this lap, Charge on, mode 3 in the background. Shape 3, get ready. Shape 3, safety car is starting to pull away. Okay, you can go charge off to get ready. You can do charge off now in case they start racing from the line. Mode 7, click overtake available. Ocon is directly behind you, you can use overtake whenever you need it. DRS enabled.
Okay, I need more power, so I can see Stroll is pulling away in the straight.
Engine 11, position 9 when you can. Engine 11, position 9. EP7 available, rear is good. Engine 10, position 9 for performance. Engine 10, position 9. Ocon 1.4 behind, 1.4 Ocon. Engine 10, position 7 for performance. Engine 10, position 7. And the wind is still the same, we are still on plan A.
How is the rear slip?
This lap was too high in turn 1. Previous lap good. This lap was a step too far in turn 1. And we can use push toggle middle sector for rotation. And Ocon is 1.7 behind. We're sinking to extend. You're doing a good job. Engine 10, position 5. Engine 10, position 5. Okay, turn 1 braking was slightly better, but still a bit on the high side, so take a little margin if you can. Take a bit more margin if you can. And we still have pretty gusty wind. Update on tires when you can. This lap was good in turn 1. This lap was good in turn 1. Ocon, 2 seconds behind, 2 seconds. Only loss compared to Danny is turn 8 exit. Danny left a bit earlier in turn 7 and gain exit turn 8. Engine 13, position 7. Engine 13, position 7 for performance. And this level of liftoff is good for brakes on tires in traffic. This level of liftoff is good, so we keep it. No more anti-deploy, no more anti-deploy, it's full. And we can use push toggle turn 10 to reduce understeer if you need. Push toggle turn 10 to reduce understeer if you need. And Ocon is starting to catch up. It's 1.7 now. He's starting to close the gap. Perez is coming fast behind him. Okay, Pierre, we've done 20 laps. How are the tires? Update on tires, please.
Okay, man, just losing a lot of time.
Okay, copy that.
And I have it too much in the apex.
Okay, you can do one step down on the EB, one step down on the EB, EB9. Ocon 1.6 behind, we have one car pitted, Norris pitted. I'll keep you posted on Norris, he's on fine. Engine 10, position 6 when you can. Engine 10, position 6. And we have Perez 5 behind, he's 3 behind Ocon, but he's coming fast.
Repeat the engine switch.
Engine 10, position 6. Engine 10, position 6. Shape 2 available. Shape 2 available for less than
Too much more.
Okay, Norris is doing 58.5 on new prime. I'll keep you posted at the moment. We are good to stay out. Okay, you will have Raikkonen in front of you. Raikkonen will have blue flag. Raikkonen in front of the queue will have blue flag. Wind intensity is going up. Wind is going up a little bit. And Ocon is now 1.5. On EB9 for rotation. EB9 for rotation. On Norris is doing 58.4 on prime, 58.4, we are still good, we are still okay. Box, 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 torque 1 in the pit lane, box, box, torque 1 in the pit lane. Torque 1, fighting with the Williams pit exit, fighting with Williams pit exit, you can use overtake.
This was, I had to...
Third toggle off, fighting Williams. Copy unsafe release, we are checking. Back to offset 2.0. On Norris is 3 behind the Williams. Danny 4 in front. We have Ricciardo pitting now, and Stroll is still out. Okay, we now have Ricciardo in front of us. On Danny last lap was a 57.8. Danny 57.8, same as you. Engine 10, position 11, urgent. Engine 10, position 11, urgent. Engine 11, position 8. Engine 11, position 8 for performance. Okay, but it looks like Sainz is struggling on the climb. Sainz is doing 58.5. Ricciardo 3.5 in front. EP7, EP7. Okay, they're picking up the pace now. They are in the mid to high 57.
Tell me, where do I lose?
Engine 11, position 6. Engine 11, position 6. Only lost is turn 4. We can brake a bit later and carry more entry speed at turn 4.
Yeah, I'm liking big stability there.
Okay, use the pull toggle. Use the pull toggle for turn 4. And Sainz is doing 58.1 and Danny 58.3, same as you. Good, turn 4 was good, we are quicker now. Rear slip is good, rear slip is still okay. The snaps were because of tailwind, we had a big gust of wind. Okay, only lost now is turn 10, we can take a bit more margin braking and carry more entry speed turn 10. Currently 4 tenths faster than Norris and 2 tenths faster than Ricciardo. Okay, so confirm the wind is a bit more gusty now. The wind is a bit more gusty now. And another click forward on the offset before turn 1, we have a bit more rear slip now. Against Ricciardo, we are faster in all the corners, only losing in PLS. Ricciardo and Danny is stable. Okay, so we have Stroll, Ocon and Perez, who have not beat it, unlikely to try the one stop.
What's the gap with Ricciardo?
We were a couple of tenths faster the last couple of laps, but very stable. And only place compared to Danny we lost now is exit turn 10, a little bit exit turn 10. Okay, Fittipaldi in front will have blue flag. Fittipaldi in front will have blue flag. Ocon boxed, we think Stroll will box soon, but they will be behind. Okay, Fittipaldi will have blue flag. Update on tires when you can. Update on tires, please.
Yeah, I'm losing so much time with him now.
Okay, he's got blue flag now. He's got blue flag now. He should let you by.
Where am I losing?
Entry turn 10. Danny is rolling off the brakes a bit quicker. And Danny is doing 58.1, 58.1. Wow, the tires feel.
Why is the rear slip turn 1? Why the rear slip turn 1?
It's good, it's okay. Turn 10 was very good last lap. Turn 10 very good. What do you think about the tires? Do you think there is any chance to go to the end?
No.
Copy that. Okay, Ocon is 3 behind. 3 behind. 1 stopper. And they're currently 4 tenths faster.
Repeat.
We have Ocon 3 behind. Ocon 2.5 behind now. Ocon and Stroll, 1 stop, coming fast behind. And Ricciardo in front is starting to lose pace. Ricciardo in front is losing pace.
Do you have any more power?
No, negative.
Help me with the balance, I'm struggling. I have a lot of honesty, I like the balance completely open. It's so bad. So advise me.
EB7, we have still strong wind. EB7.
Can't losing the gear. Losing the gear.
Okay,
I like
so copy that.
Yeah, we need to make this overtaken, otherwise I lose too much time.
Box. Okay, we should be just behind Vettel if it exits, but Vettel is slow. Okay, let's try to get Vettel as quick as we can. He's slow, he's doing mid 58 to high 58. And we have Russell 5 behind, so we need to get Vettel before Russell is coming. Russell 4 behind, Vettel 1.4 in front.
What is that done?
Russell is doing 58.70. Russell should catch us in 2 to 3 laps. Battery medium high. And we have a double yellow after turn 8. Latifi is stopped on the right hand side. Virtual safety car. Charjon, follow the reference. Stay close to the reference. And Danny is in front of us, did the same. Box for base. Stay close to the reference.
Yeah, that's quite unlucky.
It is, we focus on the race now. We still have lots of laps to go. Stay close to the reference, Norris in the pit lane. Safety car ending, VSC ending, charge off, VSC ending. Green. Okay, all the cars have come in the pit lane, but VSC ended, so we didn't lose much at all. Okay, we are currently P10, now we race to the flag. Danny is 4 in front, we still have Russell 4 behind us coming, I'll keep you posted. One click overtake now, please, one click overtake now. One click overtake now, one click.
I did it.
Thank you. Okay, Pierre, so we will have Russell and Bottas coming in a couple of laps. It will be the same for everyone in front of us. And the people on one stop will struggle at the end. And at the moment we are faster than Danny in all the grip limited. At the moment we are faster. Okay, this was a wind again. Rear slip is good. And Russell is 2.5 behind. So start to think about the best place to lose minimum time. Okay, early place compared to Danny was a little bit exit turn 4. Everything else is just a toe from Ricciardo. Blue flag for Russell. Mode 5, blue flag for Russell. Okay, we have a yellow after the last corner. Okay, track is clear. Reminder, blue flag for Russell. Virtual safety car, Charjon.
Was he ahead of me or not?
Okay, we are checking. Stay where you are, stay close to the reference, keep your tires out. Engine 7, position 2 where you can. engine 7, position 2, where you can. And Danny is doing 57.5 on his base, but I keep you posted with F3, he will get the blue flag a bit later as well. Safety car deploy, keep working on the tires.
What do you want to do? You want to pit or not?
We stay out. Mode 14, charge off. Mode 14, charge off.
Are you sure we stay up?
We are looking at it, stand by, we are looking at it, I'll keep you posted. Albon in the pit lane, stay close to the reference. Shape 5. On Albon behind will be an option. But there is still a good chunk of the race to go. 24 laps to go. Charge off. Charge off please. And all the cars in front did the same as us, only Albon pitted, only Albon. Ricciardo, Sainz, Ocon stayed out.
So what's the situation on tires and how many laps do they have on their tire?
So Albon behind is on a new option. Only Ocon has pitted earlier, Ocon one stop. Ricciardo, Danny, Sainz, same as you.
What's our position?
Currently P9. And keep your tires as hot as you can. Albon will be an option.
I don't understand who is ahead of us, we were P7.
Okay, stand by, we have a lot to discuss. Stand by please. Okay, so in front is Danny, Ricciardo, Sainz.
And then
we have Bottas, Stroll, Ocon, Perez, Russell. Behind you, Albon option, and Norris on prime. Norris stay out of run. So obviously for the restart, Albon will be a bit difficult, but he should have a lot of doing a bit later. And at the moment, the focus is on the front tires, so good straight line braking with our Shape 5. Okay, Pierre, so the three cars on one stop are at the front of the queue. The Mercedes are gonna fight them to the end. And we're going to do the same. So we have Perez, Ocon and Stroll, who are one stop, and we're on the same strategy as everyone else. Okay, we might have...
how many more laps do they have on their tire?
Ocon 11 laps. 11 for Ocon. We know this tire is quite robust for us. We know this tire is working out well for us. So we just need to bring it up to temperature, and it will be good to fight to the end.
Parking, I didn't see him. How are we doing with the fuel?
We are good on fuel.
Lift off or no lift off? Or do we start?
No, we can reduce it. We will keep you posted on brake temps. Obviously, it can maybe help a little bit turn one where the rear lock is on the higher side there. Okay, so now we've got the cars trying to catch the queue pushing in front. Okay, good job, that was a good braking. We'll do the same, please. Big stops. And make sure you keep following the cars in front for turn 1, 2. Safety car ending, charge on, mode 3 in the background. Back to shape 3, back to shape 3.
Did you say much?
Mode 3, charge on, charge on. And it will be 19 laps to the end, we race to the flag. Reminder, some cars in front may struggle with one stop. Albon behind is an option. Okay, charge off, get ready. Get ready with charge off. Racing from the line. Mode 7, mode 7. Entry 9 available, entry 9 available. It will still be open mid-corner. TRS enabled, TRS enabled. And keep me posted on the balance if we can help. Let's go get them. And keep an eye on your battery, keep an eye on your battery.
Give me more power.
You have everything, entry 9. You have everything, entry 9. Engine 10, position 9. Engine 10, position 9. Okay, Pierre, let's focus on putting good laps now and go get Danny. Last lap we were quicker in all the corners. Last lap quicker in all the corners. Keep going, you're doing a good job.
Roger, the DRS.
1 tenth away. He's on borderline, borderline. Okay, it's good DRS. Engine 10, position 10. Engine 10, position 10. Engine 10, position 10 for performance. We are 4 tenths faster than Danny in front. Keep going. And Norris is still in your DRS. It's around 1 to 2 tenths. 1 to 2 tenths still in your DRS. 10 more laps. 10 more laps. Fail, 10, fail. Fail, 10, fail. Okay, Bottas is slow in front of Danny, they are losing time. Bottas is slow in front of Danny, they are losing time. And Norris is still very close behind you, 6 tenths. Consider push to goal last corner, Bottas in front of the problem. Okay, Russell boxed, I'm not sure why. Russell has a... Keep pushing. Currently P9 on Bottas has car damage in front. Currently P9, Bottas car damage in front. And when we have DRS, you can use anti-deploy to charge your battery when we have DRS. Okay, only place we are losing compared to Danny is exit turn 8. We can take a little bit more margin turn 7 to gain exit turn 8. Okay, Bottas on Danny last lap, 57.0. And it will be 6 more laps after this one, 6 more laps. Okay, last lap was good, gaining everywhere at the minute. And battery is medium low, battery medium low, bear it in mind. 4 more laps, 4 more laps.
What can I do to run? I have no rear.
EB10, watch your turn 8 exit, no more track limits allowed. Turn 8 exit. Oh, there is Russell coming fast behind Norris. Russell coming fast behind Norris. EB10 available. Suggest entry 10, fighting Russell behind you.
Yeah.
2 more laps, 2 more laps. Last lap, last lap. Okay, fail 84, fail 84. That's P11. And you will be low on power.
Who won?
Okay, Perez, Ocon, Stroll is the top 3. One stop. And then we've got Sainz, Ricciardo, Albon, Danny, Bottas.
Yeah, honestly, it was. I don't understand why I struggled so much. So much. Couldn't do one thing. Honestly, we need to review a few things because I have no interest ability, then massive washout apex every corner.
When you stop the car, P1, then P0 when you have the message.